So I was going through my footages that I've recorded while we were at the lake, and I forgot about one whole day. We went and got a boat, took boat, on the lake and stuff. So here's that vlog. I'm thinking of being spied on. Look at that background. Look at that. Welcome to today's video. What are you doing today?
Checking you out.
I see the boat coming. I see the boat coming. Going on our voyage.
Hi.
With some of the people.
Reverse.
Cruising now. Cruising now. Hey, let's have fun. It's beautiful. There we go. We're doing 90. Doing 90. Are we doing 90?
No, maybe like 15.
I have an app for that. There's nobody out here. There's nobody. Here. You can already see my screen. I know it's windy.
That's how
Big houses right here. I know it's windy. Trying to block the wind. Look at those big houses. Wow. It's diamond. I went to Best Buy, but I didn't vlog any of that. I don't know why. Went to a really nice Best Buy. Well, look, they went back onto a boat ride. But I'm not gonna have the vlog from yesterday uploaded because the internet here is so bad and it's like 11 minutes. It'll take like 3 hours, 4 hours to do that. It'll all be probably either do it late tonight when I go to bed, just have it start to upload while I plug it in, or I'll just do it tomorrow whenever I get home. So I can do it in like 5 minutes. Slow internet is frustrating. I did jump into the water. I wish somebody was filming, but we weren't. I jumped in the water, 60-degree water. Oh my goodness, was that cold. Some cool stuff. Hopefully I get the show out. Hopefully all turned out good. We'll see. I'm gonna plug my phone in. We're all still here at the lake house having a fantastic time. You know, when you have all the family time, you really don't want to bust up the camera all the time, but I've used it a lot. I'm gonna plug it in. Yeah, we're
That's a floodlight.
replacing some lights.
Yeah.
Replacing some lights here.
Ooh, I'm going blind. That sucker is bright.
Let me see. Oh yeah.
What else do they have?
What else can we?
Just those little round ones.
What else can we fix for this house?
Like these.
I remember vlogging with this phone. Yeah. Okay. So we've played around all night. We've had fun. Ayla's outside here with me, freaking out about bugs. Making some cool videos. What is she doing?
I'm going.
All right, come on, let's go back inside. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning and the last night here.
Can't lock it.
It's not locked, baby. Just open it. Crazy. It's our last night here. So we've been enjoying the good times. I'm gonna miss this big old house. We were looking at prices of houses today. They range from, 500,000 to millions of dollars right here. This house is 538,000. Of course, they just Airbnb it and come and use it when they want to. But it's fantastic. I'm glad it worked out. It's been a great time. But we're gonna end. I'm not sure if I want to end it now or end it tomorrow morning. I'll just end it now, make a new one. Okay. Until the next one. Yeah, so that was it. We did the boat ride, had some fun. I recorded some special videos for the family, so that was good. But yeah, I can't believe I forgot this footage. So hopefully you liked it.